friends, it's Miss Ayla, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really yummy pesto that it can be tossed in with some pasta or be used as a dip. So normally a really easy way to make pesto is just by throwing everything into blender or food processor, but those are tools that aren't always accessible or easy to come by. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make pesto with just a little bit of elbow grease and some things you might find around your kitchen. This is going to require some chopping, so if you're doing this method, make sure that you have either your parents' permission or supervision. So let's get started. You're going to need about 4 cups of fresh basil and a couple cloves of garlic that I just sliced up. Divide the basil into a couple portions, and then using a sharp knife, just chop up the basil. And as you continue chopping, you're going to incorporate some of the garlic into the basil. Continue this until all the garlic and basil have been chopped. Next, you're going to combine all the remaining ingredients into a Ziploc bag, press out all the air, and seal it shut. You're going to continue to work the ingredients by rolling a mug or a mason jar over the pesto to further crush the ingredients. This way, you're kind of extracting that basil-y flavor. And there we have it, some pesto that we use without having to use a blender or a food processor. The texture is definitely a little different, but let's see what the taste is like. And honestly, just as good. So yeah, you either use this as a dip for pita chips, or I think I'm gonna put some pasta for some lunch. Alright, enjoy and have a good one.